That's really cool. So all the butterflies in this guide are ones that are here in Florida. Hey, Freddie, hey. Oh my goodness.
Cow's blood, horse blood, pig blood. Did you guys know that our fruit fest pollinated?
Okay, so what we're doing today is the Wilderness Explorer Badge Program, which is where the kids go around, and I bet adults do it too, where you go learn some stuff about some animals and get some badges, and once you get all the badges, you get like another badge, I guess, but the badges are just stickers, so if you have to skip it, it's not a big deal, but my kids are loving this, because it's like a scavenger hunt, it's like a map, so that's what we're going to do today here at Animal Kingdom. Then after that, we're probably going to leave and go to Magic Kingdom, do a few fast passes, but I don't know if we'll get through it all because there's a lot of badges to do. So, and we're really having a good time doing it. We're just gonna have a nice, chilled, relaxed day, and probably go back and do a pool later. So after we've gotten to ride everything we want to ride, so now we're just enjoying. So come along with me. It might be a short vlog though, but it's our last day is a super great vacation. This Wilderness Explorer, if you do homeschool or anything for learning, they have to learn something before they get their badge. So it's been really, really educational and great for my kids.
Good job! Good job! So sawadee is mean both hello and goodbye in my language, and the head is to show respect to others.
Surroundings. And that includes here at Disney's Rhino.
Rhino's back there. Yeah, that's a white rhino.
Where Rhino?
There's the elephant barn. Yeah, these are, that's actually a sheep. That's why they're so soft. Yeah. It does have a playground for the goats. And the sheep, that's right. Oh, I see Bakley.
I think he's done.
Having some lunch at Pizza Fari. So I got the pepperoni and sausage pizza, and then also got the cannoli cake. That looks pretty good. But they didn't give us our garlic knots, even though we ordered it. Sean got the shrimp flatbread, so I might should have got that. I don't know, but it does come with a Caesar salad as well. Having some playground time. We're here at the Boneyard. Really great playground for some kids. Even have these little slides here for the littlest ones. Got some water though, so be aware of that. Hopefully she shouldn't fall down the stairs. Caitlin's already gone into this abyss. She's gone. Just got done eating our lunch at Pizza Fari. Really liked it. It was really good. The cannoli cake, it was good. I wouldn't get it again, but it was really good. If you're looking for something really chocolatey, really rich though, after pizza, it is a really good option. The cannoli was a little bit soggy because I think it's been left in the refrigerator a little while, but it still had a really good flavor. So again, I would recommend it, but I probably wouldn't get it myself. So yeah, so what we're gonna do is do some playground time, and then Caitlin still wants to do more of the badges. So we are gonna let our Magic Kingdom Fast Passes just go, just because we won't be able to do them all because there's so many like badges, and she really is enjoying it. So we're okay with that because we've done everything, and now it's just a day to relax, have some fun with the kids. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and then later today we are gonna go back to the pool. So we decided to do some pool time later tonight if it doesn't start raining, then that would not be great. It's such a great trip. It's really nice today though too. It's like not super hot, and it's just kind of a little windy, so it's really nice. So I'm gonna try to stay with Blakely so that try to keep my eyes on Blakely here so that she'll get lost in the abyss of people. Luckily, Caitlin is in like red and white stripes, so it's just kind of easier to spot. So, and Caitlin's really good. If you've never done this before, give your kid like 2 rules. I do 2 rules, and Caitlin does really good with that. First rule is don't get hurt, and second rule is stay in the area. So she's really good with that. Now Blakely's only just turned 2, so she's not quite with it yet. But I say by the time they're like 4, then they're pretty good with it. But there's a pretty large slide. Someone's got a picture right there. Pretty large slide. So we'll see if Caitlin goes down it. I don't know. And we do have a badge over here in the dino area. I'm gonna see if Sean and I can maybe go ride dinosaur while we're doing this. So maybe I go ride it and then he goes ride it. We'll see what the times are. Last I saw the times for about 20 minutes or so, which is a little bit longer than I want to do, but we'll see. Check it out. Deep side.
Park off, repeat.
My clothing souvenir for the trip, I don't always get one, but I did get me a tank top from Pandora that I'll show you in our haul whenever I get home. So it's $37 for a tank top, which is totally crazy. But I usually only let myself get one per trip, and I don't always get one. And as you can see, I don't have something Disney to wear every day. So I am gonna try to get tank tops. I have like that Magic Kingdom tank and the Pirates tank, and so now I'll have a Pandora tank top for Animal Kingdom. Do think you need to have some sort of necklace with it to make it look good, but I do really like Pandora. So after all of our trip, I do believe Pandora does beat Star Wars. So go Pandora. I hope they expand it. I doubt they will, but it is fantastic. Flight of Passage is hovering around 160-minute wait. So considering it's not the newest land, there's been Toy Story Land since then and Star Wars Land. That's really impressive. So really enjoyed this Wilderness Explorer thing. It's taken us almost the entire day, but we're getting really close now. And I think just to win, you get another badge. So I wish, Disney, I wish if you did this whole entire thing, then I hope you'd get an actual toy or something, because this is taking forever. It's taking a full park day to do it. But we do really enjoy it, and it's been great. So we're not gonna make the Magic Kingdom. So we're just gonna kind of finish up some badges. Blakely's actually napping right now, and then we'll just actually go to the pool and have a good time there. So we're getting close.
And so I would imagine that all the animals are and so yeah, at night they probably will open those doors and have dinner for them.
I found my next souvenir. I'm not gonna get it today because I just bought the Pandora shirt. That's gonna be my clothing option for this trip. But this rose gold hat, it's an in-between ears and stuff. It's rose gold. I super love it. So next time though, 28 bucks. So I think we're gonna get the Wilderness Explorer shirt because she really does love it. So it's super sad to leave the park for the last time, but at least this is our plan. Who knows, we still have the rest of the evening, but we did leave the park at about 4 o'clock this afternoon because we ended up doing all the Wilderness Explorer and having some fun, and now we're come back to the resort. But we decided we're going to go to the French Quarter rather than the Riverside. So Sean's went over to get the bathing suits from Riverside, and I'm coming over French Quarter with the girls, and so we're now hanging out at the playground. A little bit dangerous for Blakely Jane. It looks like it's gonna start raining, so I hope it doesn't rain, because if it starts raining, we may end up going back to the parks. I don't know, we'll wait and see, but our plan is to do pool and playground and hot tub for as long as we want to, then maybe eat here, maybe have another shot of beignets because that's still amazing, and then we will drive over to our other hotel tonight.
I just got Hunter back from Blakely.
You're the senior Wilderness Explorer, Caitlin.
I'm an explorer now. I can be explorer.
You can teach her how to be a senior Wilderness Explorer.
Blakely, when you be a explorer, you can't give food to any animals because you have to not know what they have to do.
And do you have to recycle?
Yeah, Blakely, you have to cycle with animals.
I should sit back and relax, especially at a hotel, especially whenever you look at the wait times and Flight of Passage, which is your all-time favorite ride, but you only have to ride twice in your entire life, is at a 240-minute wait. For those of you who are not good at math, that is a 4-hour wait. That is insane. October, again, I've said it before, never again. It is so crowded. We super love the weather, super love all the experiences and stuff like that, but if you actually want to ride rides and go on attractions, because the other thing, we didn't even ride pretty much a single attraction. I mean, we did Rafiki Planet Watch, but other than that, nothing else. We couldn't even get on Triceratops Spin because it's like a 30-minute wait. It's just not worth it to us. So we're definitely going to think about it again on when we're going to go, and also about where we're going to stay. We do really love Riverside, but we absolutely, as you can tell, love French Quarter, and we're back here again. So we will definitely be staying here in the future. No, no, no. Don't do that, Bakley. You wanna slide? Go slide. 1, 2, 3. Whee! Was that fun? Yeah. Go. 1, 2, 3. Some last night here at the pool, and look at the pool at night. It is so awesome. We've had a fantastic trip. I know I just keep saying it. It's just really great, and I love to have our last night just relaxed at the pool, so be ready for our drive tomorrow. But now, since Caitlin's still playing the pool, we're gonna go to the playground. Then we're gonna go eat. I think we're gonna go eat at the like Sasagula Food and Factory or something, which is here at French Quarter. So we're hopefully gonna go eat there once Caitlin gets out of the pool, so she'll change all that. But I see all these alligators everywhere. Supposedly that's used to be the splash pad, but it doesn't work anymore, so now they're just decoration. Comment down below, do you know for sure that happened? If so, do you have a picture? Love to see a picture of that. So absolutely love French Quarter, so we're definitely thinking about staying here next time. You know, the one stop bus stop is fantastic, but again, probably not during this time period. But I wish there was a little bit more light at the playground, but we'll still go play for a little while. I love it, and the carriage ride goes right through the resort. Hi, horsey. It's a giraffe horse. So cool. Just past me, we're doing the pumpkin scavenger hunt. So now during the fall time, they have here at the French Quarter a pumpkin scavenger hunt. So please check your resort activities. Ooh, bad lighting. I haven't done a lot of the resort activities because we don't really have time for that, honestly. But like, you know, if we just come more frequently, or if we eventually get to where we don't have to do as much, like the pumpkin scavenger hunt was something good to do like on a night when you're not going to pay for a park ticket. So just doing a pool day and a like scavenger hunt day. So we're thinking maybe about not doing as many park days. So I think we'll try to pitch that to Sean too, because I really think that like maybe a non-park day at the beginning and a non-park day at the end could be really fun, just to kind of enjoy the resort, because we do really love just the resort in general. But yes, they're doing the pumpkin scavenger hunt where around the resort they have some different pumpkins. So I'll show you the one that they have, and they're all themed. So check it out. Let's see if you can see it. It's a pumpkin. I don't know what it, honestly don't know what the theme is on that one. There's one over at the hot tub as well that is themed as a witch. Sorry, I gotta also watch Blakely while she's on the playground. I do wish this was more heavily lit, but it's kind of dark, so for the kids it'd be a little hard to watch them. Also check and see if the carriage ride comes right back through. I thought it did, so we'll see here in a minute if it comes right back through. And again, we're gonna go eat at the Sasagula Food and Fit Factory, I think, and I'm gonna get shrimp and grits for sure, like New Orleans style, and probably one more time of beignets. I mean, I hate to like spend so much money, but like it's so good, so I think I will get that as our dessert, kind of to take off with us as we go. So yeah, this is just, it's been so great, so relaxing, and love it. Do you do it all? Comment down below. Do you do park days every single day? Do you take like a day off in the middle? Like how do you do your trip? Because we'd like to start doing it like every year. Right now we don't get to do it every year, but it's starting to rain. But it did hold off, which was amazing that it held off. And so now we're able to, you know, go have some dinner, and then we'll be getting ready to go call it a night so that we can get ready to drive home tomorrow, which is like, boo, definitely a bore. But then we'll also have a rest day before we go back to work. So that's also something that we do like to try to incorporate in, is a rest day. Now the question is, will I get up on a rest day to work my horse who hasn't been worked in like 6 days? Here is inside Sasagula Floatworks and Food Factory, which is kind of like a food court. I don't know if it's a food court or not. It looks more like just a quick service, but I'm gonna get shrimp and grits, and the kids can get a burger. It looks like it's gonna be awesome. And we got a table right inside, and it's starting to rain, so it's perfect timing. Okay, here's my shrimp and grits. It is really good, but I will tell you, just kind of like any other food court they have at some of the moderate resorts, is that you have to go up and individually go to each item. So like, let's say one person in your party wants a hamburger and then you want something shrimp and grits or something, you'll have to go to 2 different places and order. It shouldn't be a problem because you can just order and then walk away, but it's super busy. It'd be so difficult for that. So if you have little kids, like you don't have someone who can watch them while you go order, like that would be a little bit challenging. So I don't really know, like we just had him go order for him and the girls, and then I went and order for me, but then that causes him to already be done when I come back, because I do cook it to order. So it is really, really good, but just kind of have a plan going forward. I would just have one person go up there, go into each line, order it, then go get another line and order it. Go get another line, order it. It may not come out at exactly the same time, but then that way you can try to do it that way and then just come back and pay for it as needed. But that's what I would do if I had the little kids to deal with. But now once they're older, then it's gonna be great so everybody can get what they want. And it does shorten the line a little bit, but if it's really, really busy, that might be a situation to pass, just because of the way they have it laid out. But the food itself is really, really good. He's gonna go over and get us some beignets while I actually eat. God bless, be adventurous.
All right.
Make sure you hit like and subscribe so you never miss an episode. And we'll see you next time. Bye.